Something I wanted to touch on a little bit more about the Tesla, and I guess this is across the board for all Teslas that have the premium sound system. If you look at these settings that I have on my equalizer, this is the first time that I've ever set the subwoofer on my speaker more than halfway, even if that, because usually the subwoofers are tuned so poorly that all you get is a wall of bass, and that wall of bass completely overtakes any subtlety, anything that you might wanna hear from the rest of the speakers, and so the sub is only just one speaker of the 14 that are in here, and I find this to be such a such a pleasant experience. I've just been sitting in here. I got a coffee and returning some emails, listening to some music. It's crisp, it's clear, there's detail. The immersive sound doesn't do a ton audibly when you're listening to it, but if you turn it down or off and then you turn it all the way up to high, it does give you more of a three-dimensional space to listen to. And when I've used that in other vehicles, when they've had that sort of surround sound system, you could either not tell very much difference or it wasn't a satisfying way to listen because it takes the sound away from where it should be focused, which is sort of toward the center, but nudged to the driver's side. And then it just everything sounds diffuse. It sounds like you're listening to music coming from behind you or something like that. I had a Lexus GX 460 that had that same feature, and unfortunately, my Lexus didn't have the premium Mark Levinson sound system, so I don't know how good that might sound. I imagine it might sound really good. I'd always heard, like, what great attention to detail Tesla put into their audio systems. And I thought, how could it how good could it be? It's an upgraded stock car stereo. How good could it really be? And I'm happy to say um, that it sounds really, really good. But I just wanted to say here that I'm fully enjoying and fully impressed with the audio system that Tesla has put into this car. And it's not just that, oh, it sounds good. It's the fact that I can use a little bit of the EQ and not totally ruin the sound. It's the fact that I can pump the sub bass up until its highest level and have a nice thump in the car without you know how it sounds. A car drives by with subs in the trunk and it's just a anyway. So that's what I wanted to talk about. My Tesla appreciation video for today. I have other things that maybe I'll talk about, and you should get subscribed. And if you're looking for a Tesla, I have a code that is a referral. It helps me. It helps you. It's all good. Um, am I becoming a Tesla channel? I don't think so, but I'm just excited about this car right now, and I thought I'd tell you about it. So, see you later.